How do I clean a mattress after bedwetting? If you're dealing with the unpleasant task of cleaning a mattress after a bedwetting accident, you're not alone. Accidents can happen to anyone, and knowing how to clean your mattress properly is crucial for maintaining its quality and hygiene. First, act quickly. The sooner you start cleaning, the better. Begin by stripping the bed of all sheets, blankets, and comforters. Wash these immediately in the washing machine, adding a 1-pound box of baking soda and a cup of distilled white vinegar to the load to help remove any stains and odors. Next, focus on the mattress itself. Use clean towels, rags, or paper towels to blot the affected area. Do not rub the stain, as this can push the urine deeper into the mattress. Instead, gently blot to absorb as much moisture as possible. To create a cleaning solution, mix equal parts of cold water and distilled white vinegar in a spray bottle, 1 to 2 tablespoons of laundry detergent to this mixture. Spray the solution generously over the stained area and let it sit for about 15 minutes to allow it to break down the stain. After the solution has sat for a while, blot the area again with clean towels or paper towels. This will help remove the solution and any remaining moisture. Now, sprinkle a thick layer of baking soda over the affected area. Let the baking soda sit for at least 8 hours, or even overnight, to absorb any remaining moisture and neutralize the odor. The longer it sits, the better it will work. Once the baking soda has done its job, use a vacuum cleaner to remove it from the mattress. Check if any stains or odors remain. If they do, you may need to repeat the process of applying the cleaning solution and baking soda until the mattress is clean and odor-free. Finally, ensure the mattress is completely dry before putting new bedding on it. You can speed up the drying process by using a fan or opening a window. This step is important to prevent any further damage or mold growth on the mattress. By following these steps, you can effectively clean your mattress after a bedwetting accident and keep it fresh and clean for years to come. Remember, prompt action and the right cleaning solutions are key to removing stains and odors.